Hello guys, and in this lecture I'll be showing you how to install Nuxt.js, which is the Vue.js framework that we're going to be using to create our website. So now what we have to do is go to the guide, and we have to start our Nuxt.js project. So before we can start it, we need to have Node.js installed, so then we can use npm, which is just a Node package manager. So we just go to nodejs.org, and then we should be installing the LTS version, which is the most stable build. So once you have Node.js installed, you must make sure that you have a later version than 5.2.0 of npm. So to do that, we can just go in here, and then we can do npm -- version. And this is in your terminal or command prompt. And we can see right here I have 6.13.1. So if you don't have a later version, then you have to update that. So now what we have to do is create our Nuxt app. So to do that, I'm going to use npx, and we can just copy this code right here and put that into our terminal. So we're going to do npx create nuxt-app, and then we're going to name it. So we're just going to do website with nuxt.js, and then we can just hit enter, and it'll create our application. So once this is done, we're ready to start navigating through the world of Nuxt.js. Okay, so now that this is done loading, we just have to answer a couple of questions. And so we're just going to do the default project name. We'll just do the default project description, and then name of author. I'm just going to put in my name, and then we're going to use npm. And we aren't going to use any UI frameworks. No custom server frameworks. None of this. None of this. And no test frameworks. And you need to use the universal app, not single page. Because universal generates a static website, which you can use for shared hosting. So you don't have to pay for really expensive hosting because it generates static code for you. We're just going to hit enter on universal, and then we can just skip this. So once this is done, you can continue to the next lecture.